A, B, and stands for different classes, and it is popularly known as always better control. From the trial and error basis, what I did know, who got above 50,000 and selected as A. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Management 2, 6th semester, Unit 2, Session 14 of BCom in favor of cash management. Today, we are going to discuss a new idea, what is ABC analysis. I will explain what is ABC analysis. ABC analysis, the alphabet A, B, and stands for different classes, and it is popularly known as always better control. So, ABC analysis is a basis analysis management tool. So, in ABC analysis, we divide like this: ABC, category A, category B, category C. We divide the entire unit to A, B, C. Here, high quality. Quality is about 70% quality, 30%, 70% in value, 30% in quantity. Here now, 20% in value, 80% in quantity. 10% in value, 90% in quantity. Here now, 10% in value, 90% in quantity. Here 20% in value, 80% in quantity. Here 70 or 80% in value, 30% in quantity. Here quality more, value more, quantity less, moderate quantity, moderate value, high quantity, low value, high quantity, low value. Here high value, low quantity, moderate value, moderate quantity. Here value is less, quantity is more. So it is called always better control. How to do the problem? So from the data drawn, a plan of ABC selective control is given. So in examination, they will give the units and the unit cost. The first step to follow here, multiply units into unit cost. That is the first step to follow. Here, 7,000 into 5, 35,000. 24 into 3, 72,000. 1,500 into 10, 15,000. 600 into 22, 13,200. 38 into 1.50 is 57,000. Likewise, 40,000 into 0.50 is 20,000. 60,000 to 0.0 is 12,000. 3,000 to 3.50 is 10,500. 300 into 0.80 is 2,400. 29,000 into 0.40 is 11,600. 11,500 into 7.10 is 81,650. 4,000. This is the value. The total value is 3,55,000. So, from the trial and error basis, what I did know, who got above 50,000 I selected as A. Above 50,000 I selected as A. Above 50,000, one is 72,000. Another is 57,000. This is A. Come back here. Another 81,650. Above 50,000. So, above 15,000 up to 50,000. Above 15,000 up to 50,000. So, one is 35,000. This is B. Then we have got 15,000. We can have 15 to 50,000. 50,000 is there. 15 to 50,000. 15,000, this is B. 20,000, this is also B. Then 25,420 is also B. Select. Remaining I selected as a below 15,000. One is 13,200, 12,000, 10,500, 2,000 here now, 2,400, 11,600. All are same. So I classify above 50 as A, up 15 to 50,000 as B, balance is C I have selected. I take the selection like this, above 50,000 as A, 15 to 50,000 as B, remaining I consider as a C. So it's a trial and error base I took like this. What is the total value? 3,55,720. A is how much? 2,10,000. Percentage in value. Percentage in value A. What is the total value? 2,10,650 divided by, what's your total value? 3,55,770 into 100. 2,10,650 divided by 3,55,770 into 100. 2,10,650 divided by 3,55,770 into 100. 59.2%. A. In value B. B is 95,420 divided by 3,55,770 into 100. 95,420 divided by 3,55,770 into 100, 26.82. In value C. 49,700 divided by 3,55,770 into 100. 49,700 divided by 3,55,770 into 100, 13.96. So 13.9 somewhere related. Add this 59.20 plus 26.82, 13.9. So A occupied almost 60%, B occupied 26%, C occupied 30% in value. So this is in value you have got. If you see that the units you have got, A 7,000, this 72,000 goes to 24,000 units. The total number of units if you want to have units value, this is 7,000 plus 24,000 plus 1,500 plus 600 plus 38,000 plus 40,000 plus 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 300 plus 29,000 plus 11,500 plus 4,100. 2,19,000. 2,19,000 units. Then here, if you go with units, A got 35,000, 7,000. So 72 goes to A, 24,000 units. Then A, 38,000 units. Then this over, then 81. 11,500. This is 24,000 plus 38,000 plus 11,500. 73,500. B units 7,000. Then B units 1,500. This over. B 40,000. B 4,100. Add. This is 7,000 plus 1,500 plus 40,000 plus 4,100. 52,600. Remaining is C. Now, what's your total? 2,19,000. How much will come? Lakh 26. 2,19,000. 1 lakh minus 2,19,000 minus 1,26,000. 92,900. C 92,900. This goes to C. So many units. If you know the value, that's okay for us. Okay? Units A 53. Roughly you can say that total units come 2,19,000. 73,500 divided by 2,19,000 divided by 2,19,000 into 100, 33, 34%, 52,600 divided by 2,19,000 into 100, 24. Then 92,900 divided by 42%. So in units, that 34% goes to A, 24% goes in quantity, 42% goes to C. 34%, 24%, 42% in quantity is considered. But generally they will ask in value. This only they will ask. Then we'll move on to next one. This is from the data of a plan ABC selective control. Here we have got 147, 96, 10, 11, 190. So 20 items are there. Carefully we have to multiply, that's all. So 147 into 3, 441. 986 into 2, 1972. 353 into 4, 1412. 8931.3, 893. 1239 into 0.15, 186. 100 into 0.26, it is 26. 183 into 613, 9234. 3770 into 2.60, 2425. 683 into 2, 1386. 134 into 0.70, 94. 190 into 0.4, 76. 1 into 43, 43. 62 into 0.70, 36. 426 into 0.20 is 43. 4725 into 0.06 is 284. 10 into 30 point means 303. 20 into 1.4 is 28. 6542 into 0.02 is 131. 329 into 0.40 is 132. 10 into 134,000. So the total value is 27,464. So what I selected, no? 44,000 and above, 4,000 and above. So 4,000 and above, 9,234. This is rupees 4,000 and above. Any other item is there? Only two items. It will come 18,659. So above 4,200 to 4,000. 1,200 to 1,400. 1,972. 1,412. 1,386. These are all B. Then 1,340. 6,090. Remaining are C. Below 1,000. 441. All C. All comes under say 2715. Below 1,000. So I selected 4,000 is above as A. More than rupees 1,200 to 4,000 one group. Then below 1,000. Below 1,000 another group. So 18,600. Totally 27,464. A group goes 18,659. B group goes 6,090. C group goes 2,715. In value, A. What is the total of A? 18,659 divided by what's your total value? 27,464 into 100. 18,659 divided by 27,464 into 100, 68%. Then B category, 6,090 value, 27,464 into 100, 6,090, 6090 divided by 27,464 into 100, 22. C, 2715 percentage, 2715 divided by 27,464 into 100, almost 9.88 will come, say 10%. Into 19 totally 100%. So A occupy 68% in value, B occupy 22% in value, C occupy 9.8 means 10% in value. So many units are there. How many digits they have utilized? You have to find out. So here, total units you have got. A occupies totally 1, 2 divided by 20. So if you take the units, what's called serial wise, 2 divided by 20 into the, so much A occupies, units wise. How many you got? Only 2, 7 and 8. 2 divided by 20 into 100. A, 2 divided by 20 into 100. 10%. Only 2 occupies. B occupies 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 divided by 20 into 100. 20%. C occupies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. %. So A 10%, B 20%, C 70% occupation. Value totally 20. It occupy only 2 posts. It occupy 4. It occupy 14 posts out of the total units. So 2 units occupied by A, 4 units occupied by B, 14 units occupied by B. Totally 100%. So selection should be made like this. What I did now, you multiplied the value. So I took 4,000 as a limit, more than 4,000 one group. So 1,200 to 4,000 another group. Then below 1,000 another group. So I made the group like this. One as A, one as B, one as C, and find out the value. And find out the value in values percentage also. 68% in value, 22% in value, 10% in value. In number of units, no, it occupy 2 out of the 22 place you occupy, 2 by 20, 4 by 20, 4 by 20, totally 100% it worked out. The first also we did the same, but I took the units also, I explained. Here I took the units also. So many units I have taken. I add the units and divide it. That's all. So all the thing goes to same thing. Multiply. Here in the first group, I took 50,000 and above. So 15,000 to 15,000 another group. Below 15,000 another group. I did. In the second case, I multiply 4,000 above one group. 1,200 to 4,000 one group. Below we can say that 1,200 also. This one. Hope you understand. Easy. Definitely this will ask for 10 marks is considered. 10 marks, one question will come for 10 marks. They will give the ABC control means always better control. So A, high quality, quantity is less, quality is more. B, moderate quantity, moderate value. C, high quantity, lowest value. Hope you understand that. So we'll have in the next class, so material control. Once you go to material control, so the particular units has gone. Then we'll enter to third method called leasing. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.